battery. Stick popsicles. I have made hand, leg, shoes. Stick them the battery. This experiment should be performed under parents' guidance. Now connect the switch. Wire plus, wire minus. Connect it to black wire with the switch. Now connecting this wire of the battery, the motor. I made purposes of sticking. After sticking the face, touch to straw to make it vibrate.
Three,
Take the nail,
one.